sitting on his porch waiting on God to tell him some information. And Lord, behold, today we got some new information. Right back in. We got new information, people. Supposedly Zoo was gay again. Damn it, can you dig it? So we want to understand and distinguish between truth and falsehood. And shout out to my little ground squad as we all trying to chase a nut. Zoo say he want to emphasize the importance of, the Christian faith. When the demons know that you got a little power, see, you a little intelligent, you become a threat to the things that they not exposing. And we had a beautiful officer, asked Zoo on a date. He got $50 million opportunity. He got Harley Davidson. He got so much gold that people don't know if it's real or fake. He just walking money. I mean, everything about his life is just money. So the women getting confused because they waking up. They in a relationship with man that ain't got nothing like Zoo. Then Zoo got 15 girlfriends. So he say wherever way they want to go, he got the pleasure there for him. He ain't never at home. Zoo say he got 15 girlfriends, so much money, so many cars, so much pleasure. And he walked away from it all. He said God told him to teach on YouTube because boys want to be boys, girls want to be girls, but then we got girls that want to sleep with boys who want to be boys, but they're in a relationship with another boy. And we got this thing called girls that want to be with girls, but then sometimes they want to sleep with a boy. We just got a sexual appetite that come out of control. And then we got a rumor mill so strong that all the people trying to figure out, is Zoo the real deal or not? Is he the best pastor in the world? Is he the smartest lawyer in the world? And we got a hell of a situation now. We need to delegate about it. Zoo say he got that 24 laid out for you. He wasn't going to let you get away without reviewing the 24. Issue going to the Supreme Court. And let's start with 24. It was, if you don't mind, the Zoo, he's going to play with your mind. I say if you don't mind, the Zoo, he's going to play with your mind. He say he had 24 issues going in. Zoo say he had 24 issues going in. And we going to the United States Supreme Court about it because the humor's just so, stubborn. No, they sent him off to base. She wanted to go on a date for real. She really did not want to put that uniform on, people. She really did not want to put that uniform on when she seen Zoo. She came brave and strong, and maybe her people put her up to it. She was more than qualified, more than beautiful. But Zoo said his life got threatened. And when you threaten Zoo life, I mean, you have opened up a can of worms that no human has done. He say every federal prison he goes to, he running it. For his people. Every state facility he go to, he running it. For his people. Every community he go to, he running for his people. And now his people have become contained by the other people. It's the dollar of it. We got to understand when the slave masters, started the farms, started all the first businesses. These are people still hanging on to the dollars. But they played with Zoo. They did. They said they want a dirty dance with Zoo. And Zoo said he want a dirty dance back. But before we get to 24, we want to focus on 23 because it's a hell of an issue. Zeus say we want to focus on 23. This for my baby Victoria Bailey. She want to be rich, so I gotta make her rich. It's Zeus. Exhibit 8, issue number 23. The petitioner claims the district court judge, Chief Judge James D. Peterson, 21 CV 555 JDP, demonstrates and has demonstrated under federal pro se deposition and evidence requests by the petitioner a menace to society as a federal court judge and is in dire need of re-education, recertification, and Supreme Court termination of judicial employment contracts for 3.5 years worth of federal criminal state violations, Supreme Court case law violations, statute rule violations against petition via 21 CV 555 JDP at docket 145, docket 179, based on 21 CV 555 JDP at docket 161. That was the 7th Circuit Court of Appeal, June 28th, 2024 order, which stated, based on the pleadings, the district judge, all opposing counsels have cheated you. Now, we want to focus on number, we got 24 of these things, people. No, we got 24 issues in the skillet. Because the people did not understand when Zookeeper was in prison. You know, he was extorting these guys. He ain't been to prison so long, but, you know, the sex offenders, they were getting extorted. You know, the people were extorting them. You know, the real gangsters, if you will. And Zookeeper say, you know, he hoped. You know, he prayed. No clown in gangsterism. No clown with a human mind would think that they could extort Zoo through a family member because they extorted a family member. We hope no clown has ever put this in their imagination. Or I can extort him because I'm extorting his family. And we got to shout out these clowns because they come up with some hell of ideas in their head till they meet Zoo. No, take them on one-on-one. No, he just don't challenge the police. He challenged all fake thugs too. No, anybody can get it. Who played with Zoo? Who was participating in this conspiracy to deprive Zoo of the finer things in life? You know, an officer who wanted to go on a date, but they scared her with fake court orders. And they try to stop Zoo from getting 50 million, but he say he suing for thousands of trillions now. You know, 50 million and thousands of trillions, it just ain't the same money. Who would not take an opportunity out their life to sue for thousands of trillions if the government laid it out through the role of the devil's spade game? You know, it's a role of it. And as we focus on number 23, we want to get back to something more craftier. We got 24 issues going in the skillet. United States Supreme Court. Because we got issue 17. We got issue 17. We got false motives. 16. We got 15. We got 15. We got 15. And we got issue 22. Let's get to it. Let's focus on 22 at this moment in time. Because Zeus said he was going to rob you of your imagination. And he promised he was coming to the Riverside Park.